Today my topic is complex number. First of all, the question arises why we need a complex number when we have a real number. Now, for the equation like x square plus 1 equals to 0, x square is equals to minus 1. Square is never negative for real numbers. So, for this we need a complex number which has the real and imaginary part. For quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. We need a complex number when b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Now suppose suppose minus 1 under root is equals to I. Now what will be I square? This implies that I square will be minus 1. This you have understood. Now, for complex number, we have A plus IB, where A is the real part and I is the imaginary part. Now comes the addition of complex number. Suppose you have 2 plus 3I, 4 plus 7I. How you'll add this? 4 plus 2, the real part you will add together. 4 plus 2 and imaginary part you will add together. 7 plus 3, that is 6 plus 10i. This will be your answer. Now what are the properties of addition? First is if Z1 and Z2 are complex number, then Z1 plus Z2 is also a complex number. This is your closure property. Second is your commutative property, which state that Z1 plus Z2 equals to Z2 plus Z1, where Z1 and Z2 are the complex number. Third is your associative property. What is mean by associative property? Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equals to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3, where Z1, Z2, Z3 are complex number. Now fourth is additive inverse. Now Z1 minus Z minus Z is equals to 0, where Z is the complex number. Fifth is the additive identity, that is Z plus 0 equals to Z. Now comes the difference of a complex number. Suppose you have to find Z1 minus Z2. Suppose Z1 is equals to 2 plus 3i and Z2 equals to 1 plus I. What will be the Z1 minus Z2? That will be 2 plus 3i minus 1 plus I. You will subtract the real part together and imaginary part together. 2 minus 1, 1 plus 3i minus I, 2, 1. Now comes Z1 dot Z2, multiplication of complex number. What will be the answer? 2 plus 3i multiplied by 1 plus I. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into I, 3 into 1, 3i, 3i into I plus 3i square. You know I square is equals to minus 1. Then what will be the answer? 2 plus this imaginary part will be together, 4i minus 3. This real part will be together, 2 minus 3 plus 4i. That is minus 1 plus 4i. This will be the answer. Now what are the properties of multiplication? If Z1 is a complex number, Z2 is a complex number, then Z1 dot Z2 will be the complex number. This is the closure property. Second is the commutative property. Z1 multiplied by Z2 equal to Z2 into Z1, where Z1 and Z2 are the complex number. Third is the associative property. Z1 dot Z2 into Z3 will be equal to Z1 Z2 into Z3. Fourth is your multiplicative identity, that is Z dot 1 will be equal to Z. Fifth is your multiplicative inverse, that is Z multiplied by 1 by Z will be equal to 1. Sixth is your distributive property, that is Z1 plus Z1 multiplied by Z2 plus Z3 equals to Z1 Z2 plus Z1 Z3, where Z1 and Z2 are the complex number.